Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix when Photos app is not working on Windows 11 computer. Now the first step is to restart your computer. Sometimes a simple restart takes care of the problem. So go to the start menu, then click on the power icon, then click on restart. And after the system restart, go ahead and try to open Photos app. That should go ahead and fix the problem, but still you're facing the problem. In that case, you can go ahead and update your Windows 11. For this, go to the start menu, then click on settings to open Windows 11 settings, or you can make a right click on the start menu and then click on settings. Now go to update, Windows update, and then click on check for update. And once the update is installed, restart your computer and then try to open Photos app. Now the next step is to update Photos app. For this, type in store in Windows search box and then open Microsoft Store. Now over here, click on library and then click on get updates. You can also search for Photos app. So just type in Photos in the search box and then click on Microsoft Photos. And then over here, you will see update option. So in my case, it's working fine and it's already up to date. So I don't see the update option. But in your case, you will find the update option. So update it. And after the update, you can go ahead and check your Photos app. Now, next step is to run Windows App Troubleshooter. For this, again, open Windows 11 settings. And then under the system, click on system, then click on troubleshoot. Now click on other troubleshooter. Scroll down here, you can see Windows Store apps, click on run. And once the troubleshoot is complete, restart your computer and then check your Photos app. Now the next step is to repair and reset Photos app. For this, go to settings once again. Click on apps and then click on apps and features. Now in the search box, you can go ahead and type in Photos. And then click on this three dot, then click on advanced options. Scroll down. Now over here you can see the repair option, so click on repair. And once the repair is done, you can go ahead and check the Photos app. If that does not fix the problem, in that case you can go ahead and perform reset. So click on reset and then click on reset once again. Now before you perform reset, this will permanently delete the app's data on this device, including your preferences and sign-in details. So if you agree, click on reset. And after the reset, you can go ahead and try to check your Photos app. Now still you're facing the problem. In that case, you can go ahead and uninstall and reinstall Photos app. To uninstall Photos app, type in PowerShell in Windows search box. And then make a right click on Windows PowerShell. And then click on run as administrator. Then click on yes to allow. And paste the first command over here. This will go ahead and uninstall Photos app from your computer. So hit the enter key over here. And now if you try to open the Photos app, it will not open. So if I type in Photos over here, you won't find Photos app over here. Now go ahead and restart your computer after you uninstall the Photos app. So click on the power settings, then click on start menu, then click on restart, click on the power icon, then click on restart. And after the system restart, reinstall Photos app. So you can go ahead and copy this command this time and type in store. Go ahead and type in PowerShell and then make a right click on Windows PowerShell and then click on run as administrator, then click on yes to allow and then paste the second command over here. All the commands are provided in the video description. Hit the enter key and this will go ahead and reinstall Photos app. So now if you type in Photos, you should be able to see Photos app and then you can go ahead and check. That should go ahead and fix the problem. You can also install Photos app from Microsoft Store. So open Microsoft Store. In the search box, you can go ahead and type in Photos and then click on Microsoft Photos and then you will see the install option. So click on install and you can go ahead and reinstall Photos app from Microsoft Store as well. Now the next step is to run SFC and DISM command. For this, go ahead and type in CMD in Windows search box and then make a right click on command prompt app, then click on run as administrator, then click on yes to allow. Copy the first command, paste it over here, hit the enter key, and then wait for the scan to complete. Now let the scan complete. Once this scan is 100% complete, you run the second scan. So copy the second command, paste it in the command prompt window, hit the enter key. Once the second scan is complete, restart your computer and then try to open Photos app. Now the next step is to install HEVC video extension. Sometimes the Photos app is not working properly because of these extensions. So you can go ahead and copy this link. The link is provided in the video description. Open this link in a browser. It will take you to Microsoft Store website. Now over here, for this extension, you have to go ahead and pay to Microsoft. So here you can see this extension is owned by Microsoft Corporation. So you can go ahead and buy it, after that install it, and then try to open Photos app. And you can also install this. You can also open this link, and this app is, I think, free. That is HEIF image extension, and this is also owned by Microsoft Corporation. Click on Get, and this will prompt you to open Microsoft Store, and then you can go ahead and install it on your computer and then check your Photos app. Now, in case if nothing is working, you can go ahead and reset your computer. To reset your computer, go to the Start menu, then click on Settings, and then click on Windows Update, and then click on Advanced Options. Now click on Recovery. Now over here you can see the Reset this PC option. Now before you perform reset, back up your data, as reset may result in data loss. So just back up your data and then you can go for reset. So click on Reset PC, and then here you can see two options: keep my files, remove everything. So you can go ahead and select the option which you want. So I'll go ahead and select first option, keep my files, and then you can go ahead and perform reset. So click on local reinstall and then click on next, and after the reset you can go ahead and set up your computer once again. It will be like a brand new computer, so you have to go ahead and set up everything once again, and then you can go ahead and check Photos app. So one of the steps should definitely help you to get your Photos app working on your Windows 11 computer. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.